Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with another video. This time it's going to be a bag unboxing video, so if you're interested in seeing the bag that I picked up, please keep on watching. Okay, so a couple weeks ago I ordered a bag from the French designer Jacquemus. I hope I'm saying it right, probably not. He's popular. His bags are popular, the little tiny micro bags that everybody's been carrying lately. Those are very cute, but I just didn't find it very practical for me, so I decided to pick up the Le Grand Chiquito bag. And so here is the box that it came in. I already took the tape off because I don't want to be struggling. And inside it comes with some cards. This appears to be like some stickers or some sort on the back, and it's like a postcard looking on the back. This envelope here has a thank you card. It just says mercy. That's so cute. And a return label. If you are not satisfied with your purchase, and this is a how to return card, which that's kind of helpful, and your receipts invoice. And the bag just comes here in a dust bag. It doesn't have any box or anything like that, which I kind of figured because that box isn't that big to have another box inside. So this is what the bag looks like. It's a very nice and thick dust bag. It just says Jacquemus here on the bottom. I think that's very cute. And this is the bag that I got. Oh my good. Oh, the online pictures really do it no justice. So this is the Grand Chiquito in the purple embossed. This is 100%, before I say the wrong thing, this is 100% suede leather. It is made in Spain. So it just says purple embossed here, leather bag, Jacquemus logo and gold leathering, magnet closure, inside card pocket, thin shoulder strap, and the dimensions are 22 by 18 centimeters. So it's still not a huge bag, but it's big enough to actually carry some stuff inside. And I have a few things here that I typically carry around in like my small clutch style type purses, and we'll see what actually fits. So yes, there's a very strong magnet closure. This is the strap here wrapped up. Oh, sorry. Okay, so yes, it's the same purple embossed suede material. Very nice strap. I probably won't more than likely carry it with the strap, but it's nice to have options. Comes with more stuffing inside, and it has a little card in the inside. It's not like an authenticated card or anything. It's just more like a tag, not a card. There we go. And yeah, so it's a little tiny card slot here. You can probably fit like your driver's license and one debit credit card in there. And then this is what the interior looks like. It's cream interior. Definitely want to be mindful of like your lip glosses and stuff like that. With that color interior, hell, period, this material is so soft. I haven't gotten a suede bag in so long, but I love like this kit. I have just been going like top handle crazy. I don't know what it is lately, but I am just so fun. Like, this color is so unique to my collection. I don't have any bags this color. It has a nice like weight to it too. You can tell it's not like a cheap bag. So I film on my phones, but I was kind of watching a bag video, and then the lady, to see if like her phone fits, she had a phone case. I'm like, duh, that is so smart. So I currently have the 11 Pro. So here is an 11 Pro case, and you can already tell it fits very, it fits inside. Can't even see that. So yeah, your phone will fit. Hell, it'll even fit like long ways in there. But me ordering on Amazon, not paying attention, And I made the mistake and I ordered like the Pro Max case. So even if you have that big old mini iPad phone, it also fits inside of this size bag as well. So let's just say we were going out, I'd have my phone, hand cream, sunglasses, depending on if it's day or night. I don't always bring my sunglasses out and about. This is card case, that'll go. Blotting wipes, can't go anywhere without your car keys. Lip balm, and also, let's see, sometimes I'll also like bring my lip pencil, lip gloss. Here's just one right here. Lip gloss, and let's say you also had like a lipstick. Oh, I packed that. Okay. Lip, like whole lip trio here. Right, okay, so boom, everything I literally need will fit right here in this bag, and I still have room. Let's just to say I don't have any intentions on carrying with the strap. I'm out for a long time, I'm tired of carrying the bag. I can throw the strap in here and then actually put it on my shoulder. And let's see, and the strap also fits. So yes, I am very, very pleased. It doesn't look like it's stuffed or anything. Nothing bulging out. Here's the bag with everything inside. Oh my god, yes, I am so pleased with this purchase. I highly recommend like the customer service and shipping. I mean, I didn't necessarily have any customer service issues to attest to their customer service, but I mean, they said it was going to be here in 2 days, and it was here in 2 days, and so I was very pleased with that. And the shipping was free to America. I love this like gold, love gold accents on the bag, and it's not like heavy. Yes. So again, this is the Grand Chiquito. This color currently is, I just saw it was on the wait list. I'm not sure on how they do restocks or anything, but if you were looking at this same style in a different color, I highly recommend it. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I am very, very pleased with my purchase. If you guys have any questions or comments, have you had any of his bags before, please leave everything down in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.